Welcome back to Sir Boats Yacht, the channel where we explore timeless vessels that have shaped the history of yachting. Today we're stepping into the golden age of American craftsmanship to talk about a true legend, the 1950s Huckins 56 Fairform Flyer. This isn't just another boat floating in history, it's an icon of design, engineering, and elegance. The Huckins 56 Fairform Flyer stands as a perfect example of how luxury, performance, and artistry came together during an era when boats were built by hand, not by machine. So, sit back as we take you through its story, design, interior, performance, and the reasons why this yacht remains one of the most admired classic motor yachts ever made. The Huckins Yacht Company, founded in Jacksonville, Florida, earned a reputation for quality and innovation throughout the 20th century. In the 1950s, when most boat builders were still figuring out how to balance speed and comfort, Huckins had already mastered the art. Their secret weapon was the unique hull design known as the Quadraconic hull. This patented shape was a masterpiece of marine engineering and the key to the performance that made the Fairform Flyer series famous. The 56-foot model captured that innovation perfectly. It was fast, stable, and elegant all at once, built for owners who wanted something beyond ordinary, a yacht that looked as good in the marina as it performed out on open water. Now, let's talk about the key features that made the 56 Fairform Flyer stand out from its peers. The first thing that strikes you is the sheer beauty of the construction. Every yacht was handcrafted from fine mahogany and teak, selected for both strength and aesthetics. The hull lines flow in perfect symmetry, giving the yacht a sleek, almost aerodynamic look that was decades ahead of its time. Huckins understood that a yacht should not only perform but should also evoke emotion the moment you see it. The 56 Fairform Flyer did just that. It looked like it was moving fast even while docked. This model typically came powered by twin gasoline or early diesel engines, depending on the owner's preference. The engines provided smooth, reliable propulsion and allowed the yacht to cruise comfortably at speeds of around 25 knots, with a top speed nearing 30 knots, a remarkable figure for a wooden yacht built in the mid-20th century. Even more impressive was how quiet and smooth the ride was. The Quadraconic hull minimized pounding and spray, giving passengers an effortless glide over the water. At a time when comfort and performance rarely coexisted, the Fairform Flyer achieved both. The design of the 56 Fairform Flyer was pure harmony. Its long, flowing shearline and low profile made it one of the most graceful yachts of the 1950s. The bow was gently flared to cut through waves with ease, while the stern showcased the kind of craftsmanship you'd expect from a fine piece of furniture rather than a seaworthy vessel. The transom was often finished in mirror gloss varnish, displaying the yacht's name in gold leaf, a detail that reflected pride and artistry. Chrome and stainless steel accents sparkled against the deep wooden tones, adding a touch of mid-century glamour. The deck layout was designed with practicality and luxury in mind. Wide side decks made it easy to move from bow to stern, while the aft cockpit provided an open space for relaxation or entertaining guests. The foredeck could be fitted with sun pads or a seating area, offering an inviting place to enjoy the sea breeze. Up front, the helm area was one of the most advanced of its day. Large windows surrounded the pilot house, giving exceptional visibility and filling the interior with natural light. For the captain, steering a Huckins was not just a duty but a pleasure. Step below deck, and you're greeted with an interior that perfectly balances comfort and elegance. Huckins' craftsmanship truly shines here. The salon, typically located amidships, feels warm and inviting thanks to the extensive use of varnished mahogany paneling and teak flooring. The furniture is built-in, a hallmark of yacht design that maximizes space and prevents unnecessary movement while underway. Soft leather or fabric cushions in neutral tones complement the wood, creating a timeless look that feels cozy yet sophisticated. The galley, or kitchen area, is compact but beautifully laid out. It features a stainless steel sink, small gas stove, refrigerator, and ample storage built into the cabinetry. Every drawer and cabinet is made with precision, fitted with brass hardware that has aged gracefully over the decades. For extended cruises, this galley provided everything an owner needed to prepare meals without sacrificing elegance. The craftsmanship in even the smallest details, like the grain of the wood or the shine of the brass, speaks volumes about Huckins' dedication to excellence. Moving forward, you find the staterooms. The main sleeping cabin often features a double berth or V-berth configuration, with polished wooden walls, small portholes letting in soft daylight, and subtle brass lighting fixtures that add warmth to the space. The design is both simple and luxurious, offering comfort without excess. The guest cabin, usually featuring twin berths, continues this theme, efficient, elegant, and built with care. The bathroom, or head, follows the same level of thoughtful design. Despite its compact size, it includes a sink with chrome fixtures, a toilet, and a mirror framed in wood. The use of light colors and polished surfaces keeps the space bright and airy. A small porthole brings in natural light, making even this functional area feel inviting. Everywhere you look inside the Huckins 56 Fairform Flyer, you find evidence of a builder that truly understood balance. Nothing feels overdone, and yet nothing feels missing. It's a yacht that reminds you that luxury doesn't always mean excess, it means quality, proportion, and attention to detail.
Now, let's talk performance. This is where the Huckins 56 Fairform Flyer really sets itself apart. The patented Quadraconic hull was a breakthrough in hydrodynamics. It allowed the yacht to maintain stability at high speeds while dramatically reducing drag and fuel consumption. The hull design provided a smoother transition from displacement to planing mode, something that most yachts of the time struggled to achieve. The result was a boat that handled rough seas gracefully and stayed remarkably dry on deck even in choppy conditions. Owners often describe the experience of cruising in a Fairform Flyer as riding on air. The vibration was minimal, noise levels were low, and the steering was precise. The balance between speed and comfort made it a favorite among yachtsmen who wanted to travel farther and faster without sacrificing elegance. Whether heading out for a day cruise along the coast or crossing to the islands, this yacht delivered confidence and pleasure in equal measure. The Huckins 56 Fairform Flyer also represents one of the last great eras of wooden yacht construction before the widespread adoption of fiberglass. That gives it an unmistakable charm and authenticity that modern materials simply can't replicate. The sound of waves against the wooden hull, the scent of varnished teak warming in the sun, and the way light plays across the mahogany all combine to create a sensory experience that defines what classic boating is all about. When we talk about unique selling points, the Huckins 56 Fairform Flyer has plenty. First is exclusivity. These yachts were never mass-produced. Each was built to order, tailored to the preferences of its original owner. That means every Huckins yacht carries its own personality, a bespoke creation that makes it truly one of a kind. Second, longevity. Many Huckins yachts from the 1950s are still afloat today, lovingly restored by enthusiasts who recognize the value of true craftsmanship. That kind of durability doesn't happen by accident. It comes from intelligent design, skilled construction, and premium materials. Third, timeless design. Unlike many boats that quickly look outdated, the Fairform Flyer remains as stunning today as it did the day it was launched. Its proportions, lines, and materials transcend trends. It embodies a form of luxury that never fades because it was built on principles of function and beauty rather than fashion. Finally, there's the heritage factor. Owning or even seeing a Huckins 56 Fairform Flyer connects you to a chapter of American maritime history. It's a link to a time when boats were built by artisans who signed their work with pride. This is not a vessel you simply ride, it's one you appreciate, maintain, and celebrate. In a world dominated by fiberglass hulls and mass production, the 1950s Huckins 56 Fairform Flyer stands as a beacon of what boating once was, and what it can still be. It represents the perfect blend of innovation and tradition, art and science, speed and serenity. So if you ever come across one of these magnificent yachts, take a moment to appreciate the lines, the woodwork, and the spirit of an era when American yacht builders led the world in craftsmanship and design. That's all for today's deep dive into the 1950s Huckins 56 Fairform Flyer classic motor yacht. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to like the video, subscribe to Sir Boats Yacht, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another journey into yachting history. Thanks for watching, and as always, fair winds and following seas.